Live cooking with the relation of candle making class. Stay tuned.
Vietnamese iced coffee. Wow, the color is so beautiful. Too good. Do try. Hello, welcome to Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu YouTube channel. I'm sorry, I will upload it later in YouTube channel, but right now, welcome to Madhurima's Kitchen, Facebook, and at the same time, Instagram channel. So I'm live from Facebook Madhurima's Kitchen page and Instagram Madhurima's Kitchen, but I can see the difference. In Facebook I am looking fine, but in Instagram I don't know why I'm looking like tan face. I don't know, I'm a fair person, but I'm looking tan in this Instagram. I have light and everything, still it is not working, but anyway, so look doesn't matter. So what I am going to share, by the way, this is June and it's 6th of June 2026, and this is my birthday month, by the way. So my birthday is 28th June, and here I'm not going to tell you. Jokes apart, so let me show you first thing. As I said, there will be an announcement, so let me show you this. This is, though it's a cooking, today I'm showing a recipe, but this is not a recipe, this is not cookies, this is not lodges, but this is a handmade soap. So this is the lemon soap with the goodness of turmeric and turmeric essential oil with the fragrance of lemon, and this is the goat milk soap. Let me show you very clearly. So this is look like a lemon, and another is this is watermelon soap, and this is transparent. If you can see, this is a transparent one. So this is the red wine color. Basically, there is no artificial color. This is the soap base is from glycerin, and it was this is not like so much chemical. It has the goodness of this black seeds. These are active charcoal. So glycerin active charcoal is there, good for your skin. And as I said that previously, I said that glycerin, when I used to buy glycerin soap from outside and I used it, it never suits me, as because that contain too much chemical. So I never tried the glycerin soap, but right now I am using this handmade soap. I tried it on me, and there is no allergy for me. So I'm not saying that if there is no allergy for me, that does not mean you don't have allergy, but I can say that if you can use glycerin soap, then you can definitely use this watermelon and this watermelon soap. So the price is already there. You can check Instagram and Facebook MaddyBee. Even you can get the MaddyBee page, or else you can check Madhurima's Kitchen. So today I am going to prepare Vietnamese iced coffee in a very quick way, and there is an announcement because every time I am getting a request that please teach us the candle making. Candle making এ যেটা আমি বলবো যে like my profession is I have cloud kitchen. I prepare food, I sell food, I sell cake, cookies, everything. So but I share the recipe also, but that does not mean that each and every recipe I can share, or each and every recipe you can make. It is not possible. Like from next week there will be a pop-up. My pop-up will there will be a pop-up. There will be what I can say, in 2015 I actually created a menu, and it was a really buzz. That was the chicken momo burger, and right now I have the veg momo burger also. So in 2015, if you go through my Facebook page, that time Instagram is no, I was not in Instagram, or I don't know if in 2015 Instagram was there or not. If you check Madhurima's Kitchen Facebook page, year wise there will be album. In 2015 you can see the picture of the momo burger. So I introduced that time. and after that 2015, 2016 to 2017 I sold it, and after that that was not in my menu. I just thought not to add that menu in that menu, so I changed the menu. But in 2026 I thought to do a pop-up from 8th to 13th of June. You will get this momo burger again. So what I'm telling you, like, I know how to prepare the burger bread, but I'm not preparing the burger bread. The burger bread I'm buying. Actually, I'm buying from outside, from the bakeries. So I'm using that kind of bread. As because আমি এটা কেন বলছি যে sometimes it should be better to leave it for the expert. It is because they can do because they are doing it every day, so you will get the perfect thing. You will get the perfect taste, perfect thing. I'm not preparing bread every day. During my birthday I prepare the pizza base and I prepare the pizza, but I'm not preparing every day. So somehow like cake I'm preparing in November into February. So so I'm almost perfect with that. Sometimes a problem can happen that I will share later. So in candle also, if you think that you can learn each and every candle, it is not possible. But anyway, I will show you 1 or 2 candle. Let me decide that what I can teach you, but I will teach you how to prepare a candle. In the candle class next week, there will be candle class after 13th. So there will be the candle class. So you will go through the candle class. It will be live from Facebook Madhurima's Kitchen page at the same time, Instagram Madhurima's Kitchen page. So I will discuss about the candle. So that is the announcement, that next week please be online. You will get to know how to prepare the candle. So there will be lots of thing I will discuss with you. And right now let's go for the Vietnamese coffee. As I said, June is the birthday month. This month the recipe will be different, and from 8 to 13 there will be pop-up. So maybe I cannot do the live in that time, but on Monday there will be the recipe. It will be uploaded in YouTube this Monday. So let's go for the recipe and I will show you what we have, how to flip it. Yeah, this one. Okay. The recipe is basically very easy recipe, I can say. Easy and quick. So I have to add just something and then I will show you. Hope it is visible. Everything is visible. Okay. So I have condensed milk here. Let me show you. For this, basically this Vietnamese iced coffee, you need Irish coffee cup, but I don't have Irish coffee cup, but I have this kind of coffee cup. It will look better basically. If it is a transparent cup, it will be better. And I have a smaller one, so this is called the Irish cup. Here it is a stand kind of. This is the smaller one, very small portion. I will make 2 cups of coffee. So there is 1.5 tablespoon here, 1.5 tablespoon of condensed milk, and it's a bigger cup. So there is 2.5 tablespoon of condensed milk. And next I am showing you what I am using. So I have this Nescafe ice roast. This is the coffee powder I am using for the smaller cup. So Nescafe ice roast. This is basically, this ice roast is very strong. The Vietnamese coffee is very strong kind of. So we are using condensed milk, no sugar. That will give you the bitterness is there. That will cut the bitterness and there will be a smooth texture. So for the smaller one, I am using this Nescafe ice roast. If you don't have ice roast, don't worry. You have another option, the normal Nescafe Classic. By the way, this is not a paid promotion. I use different kind of coffee sachet, but you know Nescafe is very old and definitely tasty. So I'm using 2 tablespoons of Nescafe for this bigger cup. So let's start with the recipe. I have 2 bowls. First, for the smaller one, I'm using the roasted ice roast coffee powder, instant coffee powder. So for this recipe, it will be better if you're using instant coffee powder. And here the second one for the bigger cup, the normal classic Nescafe. Let me show you. It will look like same. This is the Nescafe, the left one. This is the Nescafe ice roast, and this is the classic. This is the left one ice roast and classic. So I'm repeating it because simultaneously I'm online from Facebook and Instagram, both. And now I have to prepare the coffee. For that, I already have this warm water. So I'm adding warm water to brew this. That's it. And I need chilled water also. This is the water is warm. It's not what I did. I just boiled the water, and after that I just keep it in a room temperature. So just I need to mix it properly, and this one also. We just need coffee, condensed milk, chilled water, and lots of ice cube. For the smaller cup, I cannot use much ice cube. So mixing part is done. I'm just coming back because my ice cube is inside the freezer, so I have to come back. So I'm just back and I'm adding some chilled water. Here, this is chilled water. Again, here is chilled water. I'll give a good mix again. Don't use the boiling hot coffee. The taste will be bad. And if you want the extra kick, if you want the bitter one, so in that case you can increase the coffee powder. And one more thing, it is kind of espresso. You are using this kind of espresso. In the authentic one, you need the steel coffee brewing machine. So I am just pouring it. There will be layer. So this one, and here, and then rest I will add over here. So it's already done. You can see already 2 layers are there. Here I will add little bit of chilled water and rest of the coffee. Now I have to use lots of ice. So this is not coconut water, as I said before that I used to prepare with coconut water like ice. I used to do it with coconut water. So ice will be there. Here I will use 1 or 2 ice maximum, because no, 1 ice is okay because this is the smaller one. So here I will add lots of ice. This is almost done. I don't need the bitterness, that's why I'm adding the water, by the way, else you don't need to add water. So this one is done. This iced coffee is done. Vietnamese iced coffee is very easy and tasty. can we do that and clear the place? So yeah, so there is 2 layer and it's done. And when you will serve, you just add this spoon and stir it well and then serve. So let me show you. I will use the smaller glass, a smaller cup, I'm sorry. So let's talk about this again. Time to flip the camera. Okay, so this is the cute coffee. Vietnamese cold coffee is done. And if you want to do the authentic one, for I will when I will share it in YouTube, I will share the link also. If I can get the espresso kind of little a machine type. It's not a manual, it's a manual machine that you will have to put the powder and then you have to press it. So that was the first I have the Vietnamese coffee in Darjeeling, Revolver, right? Revolver Hotel where I stay. So I love the taste. So after that I did the research and I got to know about this is I cannot drink coffee in summer, and winter also I don't drink much coffee. So it doesn't suit me. So that's why I got this cold one. So if you want, sorry, you can prepare this as a hot one also, but that is in winter. So that recipe I will share in winter. But right now you can have it in summer. The cold one, you have to just stir it. So if you will stir it, it will mix it up. There won't be any layer. That will be the brown one, and then you have to drink it. So I will share with you. And one more thing I will share. After seeing my what I can say, the soap pictures in Facebook and Instagram, and of course in Google, people just ordered me. So I'm preparing so many soaps. This glycerin what I can say, watermelon soap is a big hit, and another is the lemon one. So if you want to place order, you can always place order. So I'm going to enjoy this recipe. Thank you for watching Madhurima's Kitchen. For the food order, always go to Madhurima's Kitchen Facebook and Google. You can place order from there. And yes, I'm not I told you several times that why I'm not in Zomato or Swiggy. There is a reason, so you can check the previous videos why I'm not there. You can directly place order so that the price will be less. And I'm trying to come up with new menu very soon for the regular. Right now the I did not increase the price of the canteen meal or Rosanna Thali. Enjoy this recipe right now. Enjoy this Vietnamese coffee, and stay tuned for the next week. Next week you will learn candle from me. So I'm going to enjoy. Bye bye. The bigger one, I cannot drink so much. I will make it half and I will share with my parents.